The internet is full of utility cart hacks, and I love using this IKEA Råskog cart for corralling all your art supplies. And I have a lot of cool ways to trick it out.
This is easy-ish.
I hacked this cart by adding the Mala paper roll. I secured it with zip ties so I could remove it any time without damaging the cart. This step could use an extra set of hands. I took a trip to the dollar store and I found this hanging bin and a short magazine file to store all those coloring books. Put all the hanging items on one side so you can easily reach in the other side. Load it with crayons, markers, and all those crafty bits that pile up around the house. Don't forget all those puzzles. Look how nicely they fit in the cart. That's it, we're good to go. And the narrow size of the cart makes it easy to store away in a little nook or corner.
See, that was easy-ish. If you like these hacks, subscribe to our channel because we have a brand new video coming out every Friday. Thanks for watching.